Hi my friends, welcome again to Maverick channel. This is still part of the first day I was testing out this Vivitar Fpv dual racing drone. As you guys know, the Vivitar brand is nothing compared to the DJIs and the Skydios and what have you. So whenever I get a drone from the Vivitar brand or any other brand that is not that expensive or technologically advanced, I always take it easy the first day. And as you see here, I was just trying to mess around with the control just to get a feel of how the drone responds to the control, test out the connection between the remote control and the drone, and also the connection between the camera of the drone and the goggle. Everything went great. I was very surprised at how well the drone performed given the price. It came in a box containing the drone, the goggle, and the remote controller, and all of that for just about 200 bucks. You cannot beat that anywhere. I strongly would recommend this drone to anyone who wants to do FPV and is not willing to spend a lot of money. You will get this drone including the goggle and the remote controller for under 200 bucks. Normally you will get just the goggle for above 200 bucks. So the Vivitar dual, or rather the Vivitar FPV dual racing drone, it is a very nice drone. It is stable. It has great features that I enjoy. Here I was just testing it. This is my first day and I am happy with this drone, guys. I am happy with this drone. Given the price and the performance, I think it is worth it. I really do. So just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Please leave your comments below. Subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and I will see you on my next one.